Here are your top 7 foods for weight loss. Hopefully I'm about to make you hungry with this video. Hey, it's Dr. Livingood here, and we're covering the top 7 foods for weight loss. A couple of these are going to shock you, but really easy things you can be doing to not only lose the weight, but also get healthier in the process. Let's go. Number 1, out of the gates, green leafies. Listen, people are not talking about these enough when it comes to losing weight. We do not want you to just be a lighter casket at the end of the day. We want healthier human beings. All right, so yes, you want to lose some weight, but don't lose your health in the process of it. Get a lot of greens in. Listen, your body loves these. It needs these. We got to get nutrients in. I throw these in my smoothies. We do salads with them. The easiest way to do it is in a smoothie. So we get these containers, and we just take a handful out and throw it right in their smoothies in the morning. Speaking of smoothies, let's go to number 2, collagen. I get mine in the form of protein powder. I made my own collagen protein, and so you need collagen in the system. It does not spike insulin levels, which works against your weight loss, regularly. So I use collagen in my smoothies with the proteins, and I put some fruit in there, put a bunch of greens. Now you're getting a lot of health, and you're also building fat burning mode. This thing has things like glucomannan in it, which helps lower your blood sugar levels. So you can make your own collagen. I think it's fantastic for weight loss because it repairs your gut, which you gotta have healthy, because if that's destroyed, you're very toxic, which is gonna work against your weight loss. So repairing your gut with collagen, you can make bone broth if you wanted to, or just take a source of it, like my collagen protein sourced from bone broth. There you go, making the smoothies. Number 3, ACV. Yeah, you know me. ACV is apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar in the raw, unfiltered, with the mother. What's the mother? The mother, word to your mother, is the stuff floating around in the bottom of it that shows you it's very real and it's fermented and it's super good for you. 2 tablespoons of this 2 times a day is better than metformin, at reducing diabetes, blood sugar problems. 2 tablespoons of this a day. You can put it in water. You could add some lemon to it. I add some vitamin C powder to mine, my vitamin C powder, to make it taste better, but I try to get this in regularly. If I'm focusing on wanting to lose weight, I'm maybe not doing it all year round, but during that period of time to control blood sugar levels and insulin levels, I put some apple cider vinegar in. Number 4, you're gonna love me for this. Number 4 is coffee. Yes. Any other coffee lovers out there? I'm a coffee lover. It's gotta be a healthy form of coffee. What does that mean? So coffee on the regular going down into the system, it's actually really good because it's thermogenic. It gets the system going. It starts helping burn fat, and it helps your adrenal levels and adrenaline, so you have more energy. Yes, a little bit pushing the body towards that way, but with more energy while you are cutting out calories, maybe doing some intermittent fasting or rotational fasting, which I teach on a lot. Ding, you can check out that video. You should put that video below there. And you can check out intermittent fasting, but when you put coffee in, you can keep your energy up. But the type of coffee you drink is extremely important. If it's toxic, chemical loaded, or full of a bunch of bad sugars and bad fats, it's not gonna be good for you. The kind that I get straight out of the cupboard behind me here is counterculture. It's made in the area that I live, but it's super organic, shade grown, protected, no chemicals used in the process, filtered water even used in the entire process of making it. And so when you have a healthy coffee, this is actually the #1 superfood on the planet. The most research studies of any other food, coffee, you can use it in your weight loss journey. Number 6, healthy fats in the form of coconut oil. MCT oil is going to crank up your fat burning system. Remember, if you want to be a fat burner, you got to start fueling your body off of nutrients and fat, not sugar. If you're a sugar burner, you're going to have a lot of extra fat on you. So in order to fuel your body with proper amounts, put things like coconut oil in your smoothie, cook with it, eat some coconut. Coconut milk can be done in the smoothies or put into your coffee. You see how these all start to play together? Isn't this nice? So getting coconut oil in is going to burn up the fat. Great source of it. Your brain loves it, and it's going to help you burn, burn, burn. Number 7, this is going to be fun. The Veggie Tray. My dad, when we grew up, he thought it was so cool. He had this little glass tray that he would set out before like most meals when he was cooking, like mom was still at work or something like that, and he would put out a bunch of vegetables. And so I grew up always having like the vegetable tray on hand, and so it's always prevalent in my fridge. I would encourage it to be in your fridge. Let's go in my fridge for number 7, the Veggie Tray. Why is this important for weight loss? Because instead of picking at all those carbs that you pick at, chips, crackers, all these things, you can start learning to pick at vegetables. So just in the Livingood fridge right now, we have things like peppers. Got to watch it if you have nightshades. That's That's a gut reset reference. If you don't know what that is, it's not approved for an inflammatory, it's an inflammatory food sometimes, but otherwise they are full of good nutrients like vitamin C to help get into your system. So we regularly have those cut up in the fridge. So I'm literally just opening the door here and letting you see. Snap peas, you could dip these in hummus, really good, really easy, kind of forms a chip, has a little bit of crunch to it. My dad always threw beets in there. The rest of my family doesn't necessarily like them at this point, but how often do you get purple food, especially that purple? These are fantastic for you because they're full of MSM, another gut reset reference. If you don't know what that is, you can join my web class where we talk about it. MSM, really good foods on there. We always have cucumbers cut up, super alkaline, and so when you want to lose weight, you'd be pumping that into your body and it'll help clean you out, as well as we have like the veggie container. So we always have fruit or vegetables cut up, because then we'll just grab a form of hummus with no bad oils and we'll start dipping in it. That's going to curb it because it's going to curb your consumption. It's going to put healthy food in, so you're not going to overeat with the carbohydrates. It's going to fill you up. You're going to get a ton of nutrients. That's how you're going to be losing weight. Oh, look, guys, how cute. My kids didn't finish all their smoothies this morning, so they left them for later. Yeah, bring your family with you while you're doing this, and so that that you don't end up leaving them behind. Teach them how to eat healthy now. Don't wait for them to get bad habits. That's 7 things you can be putting in on a daily basis that are going to really amp up your weight loss. They're easy things to do. They fit into your lifestyle. You can still have coffee. Start cutting up things like vegetables and add in a few of these tools, and you're going to be off to the races of losing weight. Excited for you. Get after it. You can do it, but don't lose your health in the process. Keep health simple, lose the weight, but the whole goal is to be healthy in the long run. So I'm going to keep bringing this stuff to you to help you experience real health. Comment below. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions on it, I'm outie. Let's go lose some weight. I'm getting hungry. Check out the videos next to me. They're exactly what you need as next steps to experience real health. If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Be a part of the Dr. Livingood community as we all get healthy together. I also give free guides, free links and resources, links to our web classes, a lot of resources to help guide you along this journey to help you experience real health. See you again soon.